Hi. So now that we learned about how do we get the right set of keywords that we need to incorporate in our profile to get easily noticed by recruiters and future employers, let us see about how do you rewrite this profile now, because for every type of job that you'll be approaching, you'll need to keep on rewriting your profile, and it's a task. I understand with the busy schedule that we have, it's a task to do all these things. I'm going to solve your huge task and reduce it to say just a 2-minute task using ChatGPT. I'll give you a simple formula. Just go over here. Now, let me just recollect so it is easier for you to understand. We did a search for Chief Marketing Officer. The keyword check, all these keywords are mentioned in my profile. The keywords missing are this particular keywords. So what I do right now is I go to ChatGPT. I've created a prompt. I'll be sharing this particular prompt as a part of ebook so you can download this particular prompt. And this is a specific profile. So it's a block format profile, block 2. So there are different blocks, block 1, block 2, block 3. And each blocks there are specific lines that needs to be mentioned. So in this block, forget all the previous prompts, you are a LinkedIn user. So this is where I set up what is called the context or the persona of what the chat or for ChatGPT should be. Now here I am writing about everything about who I am. Then I write about specializing digital marketing, marketing strategy. Now AdWords marketing was not part of my profile. I added it. Content is not part, so I added it. E-com was not part. Now there is one more thing. What is that? Is marketing strategy, market research. So I'll add. Okay, I add all these things in my profile. Now what I will stitch all blocks together. So what I'll say is go ahead. Now what it will do is, hello, I am Moses Gomes, bringing 2 decades of expertise in digital marketing, strategy and mentoring teams. With a background in marketing communication and passion for teaching, I thrive on staying updated with the industry trends and exploring new hobbies like photography and hiking. Throughout my career, I collaborate with top names and all these things. I excel in digital marketing strategy, marketing automation, market research, and offering a deep understanding of e-com and growth hacking strategy. Currently, I'm focused on transitioning into a leadership role, aiming to drive technology projects or lead client services in a dynamic digital marketing agency. Let's collaborate for impactful ventures. Reach out to me at so and so to explore exciting opportunities in digital marketing or to discuss potential collaborations. It's pretty easy, but still, if I feel though, please read the refer the above LinkedIn profile with like PPC, CMPIGNS, PPC campaigns, and let's see what we are missing out on. Customer relation, product lead generation, leadership, and also okay. So I'll say please use this as a part of the profile, and you may uh, you may make VLO CK blocks VLO CKs in 3 lines or 3 lines. Let's see what we get now. So marketing roles PPC can see it has changed again and it gives me now. So it's so simple, and you don't need to do anything. Practical, you don't need to do anything. ChatGPT can get it done, but just keep one thing in mind: rewrite that profile, because LinkedIn will push your profile down. Will LinkedIn AI knows if it is a ChatGPT version content or it is written by human. Hence you have to rewrite on your own. Take that framework, it at least gives you a framework. Use the framework and solve it. Now what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and start making